This is a JW Truck Show. Today I have a 2015 Ram 3500 Laramie crew cab dually. Man, I gotta tell you, this is one gorgeous truck. It's got power doors, power windows, black leather interior, black carpet. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Let's look at the driver's seat. As for the features, it has Bluetooth, cruise control. It's got a screen in here, reverse screen, heating, cooling, AM, FM, aux port, USB, everything you need. As for the engine, it is of course the Dodge Cummins turbo diesel, 6.7 liter V6 engine. You can hear it purr. Beautiful truck. This car had only one previous owner. It's got only 101,000 miles on it. It's just been freshly detailed. Gorgeous. Of course, see the Laramie right there. And remember guys, you can always get great financing options here at JW Truck Sales. You can qualify for interest rates that start as low as 3.75% with zero money down and no payment for the first 6 months. Gorgeous truck. As you see, it's a dually. Come check us out on 5000 Nelson Brogdon Boulevard, Sugar Hill, Georgia. Don't forget that we are moving to our new location in Oakwood, Georgia. And go to our website at jwtrucks.com or give us a call at 678-714-0008. No matter how you find us, get down here for great trucks at a great price.